today I will talk about how can you get premium on your family album app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on settings down here. When you just click here on settings, so then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. And all you have to do now, you just click here on what's premium here, just click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list here. So then here you will find all benefits of your premium here. So then you just click here on choose a premium plan. And here if you want to add for yearly or monthly here, or yearly or monthly for here premium pro and here premium normal. So when you select, just click here on select plan. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. You add here credit or debit card, then it's going to add with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.